Hello and welcome to this new video on how to create reels on Facebook. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Facebook interface, and when you have access to Facebook interface, you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen. There will be videos tab, so you just have to click on the videos and video section will be appeared right in front of you. You just have to look on the left hand side once more until you are able to see reels, and when you see the reels, you just have to click on that reels tab. It will be appeared right in front of you, and when you are inside the reel section, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be create reel, so you just have to click on that create reel button and another page will be appeared right in front of you. Now you can just add your video. You just need to look on the left hand side of the screen. There will be add video section. You will just need to click on that and you will be able to access the stories of your device and you will be able to add the video. But if you are using mobile phone device, then you will be able to record a video directly and you can upload it as a reel. So this is how to create reel on Facebook. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.